Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make word black, background white text in Microsoft Word. So firstly type your text here. So we have this text. Now click on Design tab, Page Color. So select this black color. So we can see now we have black background with white text color. Also you can select any another color. Another way, File, then Options, Account. In the theme select dark gray. And same, select here background as a white, as a black color. So these are options to make text white color and background in the black color. Thanks for watching.